but today we'll be looking at another Quack Pack by Numskull. This here is Sonic and Dr. Eggman, a brand new lineup of the characters for their Quack series. This here is Tubbs. So in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, taking a closer look at it, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So if you guys wanted your very own, be sure to check out their link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this here's the box that we got. It says Quack Pack on the top, and then it says Tubbs. You got a little cute little image of the duck on the side here as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so we got our 2-pack right over here. So we have our Sonic and Dr. Eggman, or Robotnik for you retro folks. So we're going to put those to the side for now and see what else is in here. So we get ourselves a nice looking card, a thank you card. And then we have ourselves a sticker as well as a USB. So very, very thoughtful gifts. Thank you. Now moving on to the actual Tubbs. These things are really cool. So first impressions, you get this almost like a little tub here with Sonic written on the side. And then of course you can see the character. So I love the fact that they have the logo printed onto the case itself. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at Sonic first. So just go ahead and slide this off. And so we're going to open up just like that. Sweet! So you got Sonic the Hedgehog here. I got that nice vibrant blue, I like that. And then of course you have Sonic, and he even has, looks like a beak, which is kind of cute. And he's doing one of these impressions, definitely from that nostalgic retro feel. His tail almost matches part of the hedgehog's pointy part right there. And yeah, you can see that they did a great job in terms of quality and contrast. I really think it's actually a very fine artistic looking piece. So I was going to set that to the side, and we'll take a look at Robotnik next. So this here is our Robotnik character, or Dr. Eggman. I've always been preferred Robotnik over Eggman, but you know. So that is pretty darn cool. So you have his full outfit with the red and the black. And then of course he also has a beak, which is really neat. He's got his goggles on top, and yeah, looking evil as always with his mustache. So definitely a great addition to our rest of our collection, and yeah, there you guys have it. Now if you guys had any questions about this particular Tubbs kit, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.